One, two, three. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sofesi Podcast. Today's topic is a bit heavy, but don't worry, we'll keep it casual, okay? Astagfirullah. Today's because we're going to talk about smoking, yeah. But we're not here to teach, no. We want to learn and share. We have stories. Astaghfirullahaladzim. We have to greet guests here. Okay, Mas Kemal, a former active smoker. Hello Mas Kemal. Halo Mas Kemal.
Wow. It's so nice have you on, Master. I used to be a cigarette addict, but I know just looking the pack makes me want to talk.
I use awesome. And also Dr. Eben Appetizer, lung specialist who ready to balance this conversation with medical facts so we don't get carried. Hello, masuk. Hello dokter.
Hello Masur, hello Mas Kamal. Hello listeners. I am really ready, but don't be afraid. I won't grumble.
Thank goodness, doc, because if the doctor grumbles, actually the patient immediately say yes, doc, and then disappears for a month. Okay, Mas Kemal, tell me, why did you start smoking in the first place, Mas Kemal?
At first, it was super cliché, sure. Back in high school, I wanted to look cool. I also saw my friends
So you friend?
hanging out while smoking. At first, I called research and not smoke. But if once you get curious, right? That side it makes you look really manly.
Wait a minute.
But after my first puff, I ended up jogging like a broken motorcycle head out low.
Yes, Mas Kemal. Wow. So it wasn't because of stress. It was all about trying to look cool and that unstoppable curious.
Yeah, because of pride and curiosity. Then it slowly become a habit. At first, it was it just one cigarette, but eventually it become one pack a day.
One pack?
It F was school holiday. I could even finish 2 pack.
2 packs?
Yeah.
2 packs? Didn't you get dizzy, Mas Kemal? You're like an old steam train chimney, Mas.
If someone smokes 2 packs alone, that's not just smoking. That's smoking. But it's actually very common. Sure, cigarettes are
Addictive.
because they contain nicotine, a substance that makes the brain feel calm. Even though The effect is only temporary.
Ah, this is the interesting part. So the feeling of calm from smoking is actually fake, right, Doc?
You could say that. Nicotine simulates the brain to feel relaxed. But once the effect wears off, your body craves more. And that's how addiction happens.
So true, Doc. I used to feel like I can't think without smoking. Even doing homework felt like I needed a cigarette first for inspiration. But after quitting, turns out I can think perfectly fine without smoke.
Oh, well, this is what I want to ask Dr. Eben. What's the worst thing about smoking for our bodies?
There are so many. So, the most common are lung problems, bronchitis, pneumonia, and even lung cancer. Plus, smoking also attacks the heart, blood vessels, and even the skin. That's why smokers often look older than their actual age.
Whoa, no wonder, Doc. My friends who's been smoking since high school now smiles like a 1980-an kalender.
Yang mana sih? Oh ya. Don't be like that, sir. But it's true. I used it to get off, but really easy. Just going up one flight of stairs felt like I'd run a 200-kilometer marathon.
Yeah.
And the bad news, sir,
You?
is that it's not just the smoker whose effects, but also those around them second-hand smoke.
Secondhand smoke.
Yes, they can get some effect even if they don't smoke.
Yes, Doc, I'm real sorry. So smoking is like harming two parties at once, right?
That's right, sir. And if you are seriously addicted, stopping requires a really hard struggle. But that doesn't mean it can be done.
So, Kamal, I'd like to know, how did you finally quit completely?
Honestly, sir,
Yeah.
it started out because I was afraid. During my medical checkup, the doctor said my lungs were really dirty. I was shocked. I also felt guilty for smoking so often near my little new nipple.
Wow, awesome. Food tastes better. That's a big bonus.
Because when you quit, your sense of smell and taste yang
Wow, that was the turning point.
Yes, that I decided to quit. It was really hard. The first day, I was still withdrawal. I really wanted to smoke, but I respect. I with minds, water, and like exerts. After a week, it started to feel like after a month, my breathing was easier and food faster better.
Oh, awesome. Food tastes better. That's a big bonus.
Actually, because because when you quit, your sense of smell and taste start to recover, and your body starts to repair itself. Just a few weeks without smoking, lung function begins to improve.
Seriously, doc? So it doesn't take long for the body to start recovering?
Yes, within just 20 minutes of quitting, pressures and heart rate begin to return to normal. Within a few months, the risk of heart disease decreases. So it's never too late to quit.
Wow, this should be said like a motivational commercial. Quit now. Your lungs will thank you later. Okay. Now I want to ask you both for some tips. So let's start with Mas Kimmel. How can friends who still smoke start trying to quit?
First, don't blame yourself. Take it slow. Reduce it bit by bit. Replace the habit. Find a new activity. I started going to the gym and having coffee without cigarettes. Turns out I could do it. And one more thing, stay away from friends who offer free temptation. That's more dangerous than X.
Agreed. Free stuff is the number one enemy of good intention.
From a medical perspective, get support. I can come from family, friends, or a doctor. Nowadays, there are smoking caution their peace, including counseling and nicotine replacement
Medication.
So, don't be afraid to ask for help.
That's awesome, guys. So quitting smoking isn't about can or can't, but more about want or don't want, right?
Actually,
And believe me, life without cigarettes is like your breathing finds sister easier, and your wallet feels happier too.
Okay, that's a perfect tagline to close today's episode, guys. Thank you so much, Ms. Kemal and Dr. Iban, for sharing with us. For friends who are still fighting to quit, keep going. Your body will thank you later. See you guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dadah. Yes.